Losing 50% of your account on a leveraged bet doesn't mean you need a 50% gain to recover. You actually need a massive 100% return just to break even. Options allow you to control 100 shares for a fraction of the cost, creating massive leverage. While this multiplies your winners, most new traders ignore that it amplifies your mistakes with equal mathematical force. Let's look at the math of a 4-to-1 leverage position. A relatively standard 25% drop in the underlying asset doesn't just hurt, it wipes out 100% of your equity. This creates the math of ruin. As your losses deepen, the return required to just break even grows exponentially, not linearly. To survive, you must uncouple conviction from size. Professional desks cap risk at 2% per trade, ensuring no single event can destroy the portfolio. Sustainable trading isn't about hitting home runs every week. It is simply about staying at the table. By reducing leverage, you reduce variance, allowing the law of large numbers to finally work in your favor. Size small, stay solvent, and trade another day.